Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by locking in essentials. Verify your dash keybind and set sensitivity so inputs feel instantaneous without overshoot. Make sure you preserve roughly 20% stamina so a retreat dash is available. Equip gear that reduces dash cooldown or increases movement speed. This matters because faster repeat dashes let you control spacing. Once done, practice a single dash out and back to learn timing. Keep corrections small. Consistency beats flashy inputs. Now you layer execution. Combine dash with your main attack windows so you get a 0.5 1-second damage advantage while avoiding return fire. You should use nearby cover, dash around pillars or ridgelines to bait shots, then punish the peekers. Alternate between short hops and full dashes to break opponent aim tracking. This creates micro-unpredictability. Make sure to monitor cooldowns and enemy abilities when their crowd control is down. Commit to a longer dash string to maximize pressure and secure positioning. Finish engagements by dashing to the safest flank or the objective within 2 seconds of the last strike, so you deny counterplay. After the final dash, immediately use a healing or speed consumable to shorten your recovery window and prevent a fast punish. If things go wrong and you're pinned, remember you can cancel or micro-cancel the dash with a quick opposite input to reset momentum and slip free. Troubleshooting tip: if dash feels unresponsive, lower input smoothing and rebind to a more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.